Tes yeux pourraient me voir dans tout ce que j'ai de plus beau. Et tu voudrais savoir si j'ai des marques dans le dos, dans le dos, dans le dos, dans le dos. Je t'aime après la guerre. Si c'est trop, si c'est trop, je t'aime après l'enfer. J'aurais voulu le soir confier tes peines à la nuit, ou les porter sur mon dos, sur mon dos. Je t'aime après la guerre. Si c'est trop, si c'est trop, je t'aime après l'enfer. Pourrait me voir comme un rempart, comme un abri. J'aurais voulu le soir confier tes peines la nuit, ou les porter sur mon dos, sur mon dos. Je t'aime après la guerre. Si c'est trop, si c'est trop, je t'aime après l'enfer.
Hello guys, how are you? It's fucking nice to be here. I came here for the first time probably in like 2017, and I came back in 2018 and I played for the president of the Supreme Court of Estonia. I don't know why I did that, but like at the Russian theater, like 5 or 6 years ago, and I'm coming back here in this amazing place. It's so nice. Thank you for coming. I'm looking at you guys because I feel like it's unreal that I'm in Estonia and I'm playing in front of people. Thank you so much. And this is gonna be like a mix of all my albums. I don't have that much, but like it's just like a solo acoustic sad version of all my songs. It's a sad night, but not sad, like just sad songs, but we're not sad. We're really funny people, and just enjoy it and sing if you know the lyrics, because as you can see I'm pretty much alone on this stage, so if you sing then you're gonna be my Estonian choir and it's gonna be really nice. Then I don't know, you can, even if you don't know the lyrics and someone brought you here and forced you to come here, you can invent some stuff in Estonian. I won't understand anything, so just be creative, it's allowed here.
Quand les lumières brûlent Moi, je préfère le noir. Je ne veux pas sortir. Je ne veux pas me découvrir des feuilles, des feuilles, des feuilles, des feuilles. Je vois mon corps partout. Je le compare surtout. Et tu vas pas me croire. J'ai fait le même cauchemar. Je ne vais pas sortir. Je ne veux pas me découvrir des feuilles, 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 des feuilles. Et je sais pas danser, je sais pas m'oublier. Et je sais pas danser, je sais pas m'oublier. Je ne veux pas sortir.
I went to see outside a little bit. This is a really nice part of town that I didn't really know before, because when I went for the Supreme Court thing, I just saw like near the sea and also the old part of town, but I didn't know here, and it's really nice. I love it. But as we travel every day, we just arrive anywhere and it's like dark yet, so it's a little bit tough to see where we are. Actually, where are we now? I don't know. Anyway, this is a song I wrote about trees, because trees are cool. Yeah.
Quand j'ai marché dans l'allée des séquoias, j'ai respiré en entier pour une fois et envoyé 2000 prières pour nous sauver de toutes les peines d'avant. Avant la rivière à sécher, avant que tout soit emporté, je veux retourner dans l'allée, entendre les séquoias chanter. Oh, 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 apprivoiser le silence, les faiblesses de ma voix et habiter mon propre corps pour la première fois. J'ai bien gardé tous les secrets en entier pour une fois.
An Oda harp. It's a really cute thing that kind of sounds like you're an elf or a pixie, I don't know. I used to say, I think it's true though, if you guys have done something wrong, maybe think about it and the sound of this instrument will just erase it from the universe. I know that you guys did something wrong. Everyone has a secret. So just think about it right now. And the elves are gonna take care of it. The Oda are pixies. It's actually a song about burning in hell.
On brûlera toutes les deux en enfer, mon ange. J'ai prévu nos adieux à la terre, mon ange, car je veux partir avec toi. Je veux mourir dans tes bras. Que la mer nous mange le corps, la caresse nous lave le cœur. Je t'aimerai encore, je t'aimerai encore, oh, je t'aimerai encore, je t'aimerai encore. Je m'excuse auprès des dieux, de ma mère et ses louanges. Je sais toutes les prières, tous les vœux pour que ça change. Mais je veux partir avec toi. Je veux mourir dans tes bras. Que la mer nous mange le corps, la caresse nous lave le cœur. Je t'aimerai encore, je t'aimerai encore, oh, je t'aimerai encore, je t'aimerai encore. On brûlera toutes les deux en enfer, mon ange. Tu peux écrire tes adieux à la terre, mon ange, car je veux partir avec toi. Je veux mourir dans tes bras. Si la mer nous mange le corps, la silence nous pique le cœur. Je t'aimerai encore, je t'aimerai encore, oh, je t'aimerai encore, je t'aimerai encore.
do the shows in France, I'm like, yeah, I wrote this song in English because it's not really, it's a bit rude, it's not polite. But now that I speak English the whole time of the show, it doesn't make any sense. But, you know, when you're a kid in, in France, parents do that. They speak English so that you don't understand when you're 3 years old. And I don't know, I wrote this song like that. I was like, oh, I'm just gonna write it in English and no one's gonna understand in France. But then, because French people are really bad at English and languages in general, I must say. But here, I have to explain because it's, yeah, it's just a song about toxic relationships. Everyone has experienced this, and I'm just like willing for you guys to have a free space where you can think about someone who was toxic with you and just be angry, because like we're not really allowed to be angry ever, and I'm really bad at being angry myself, and sometimes it's just nice to be allowed to be angry. And usually I even ask people if they want to do some fuck yous, you know, because like sometimes you have to just fuck someone in your head. And if you don't have any toxic relationship in your life, you're fucking lucky. But then you can think about politicians or, you know, other people that you hate. Okay, this is called Very Bad. Don't you give a fuck? I am not starstruck anymore. I hope you say my name when you tell your friends that you're a good boy. Now that I have more money than you do, does it make you feel like you failed? I recall the last time I saw you. You looked very bad. Don't you find it strange to like girls my age or younger? I hope yours is fine. When you see her face, tell her that I love her. I was never in love with you. I was trying to find myself. I was never in love with you. I found myself. Thank you. Now that I have more money than you do, does it make you feel like you failed? I recall the last time I saw you. You looked very. Now that I sing in Estonia, does it make you feel like you failed? I recall the last time I saw you. You looked very bad. Very bad. Perfect, we have the same You have 2 choruses to learn the lyrics. It's in French, but it's really, really easy. I'm just gonna teach you now. So it's easy. This is the easy part. And then minuit, which means midnight. Est là. Midnight is here. So minuit est là. Is this okay? Just remember it. And then again, easy stuff. I ne dors pas. I can't sleep. Okay, so minuit est là. Je ne dors pas. So you have 2 choruses to rehearse, and then the third one you're going to be completely alone. Okay? So you have to listen. But I believe in you. Now that you're closer, something's going to happen. I feel this.
Une nuit blanche, ne sont pas blanches, à peine claire, semée d'étoiles, petit trou dans la toile étrange, triste strade sur le voile, et m'envoûtée des ténèbres, je passe des heures infinies à compter les moutons funèbres qui tapisent mes insomnies.
Okay, your turn, guys.
Soleil, raison marchera et la nuit noire nous embrassera. On pourra tous partir. On pourra tous partir.
Your guy is gonna call me back. So what I usually do is I ask people to call me back. So like after this song, I'm gonna go out and you have to call me back. Is that okay? Amazing. You're so nice. So this is gonna be my last song, and I have to thank some people because I'm not alone on this stage. I'm alone on this stage, but I'm not really alone. So thank you for the sound tonight to Freddie, please. Also a huge thank to my tour manager Caroline, s'il vous plaît. Also a big thank you to the amazing Safia Nolan, s'il vous plaît. She has some really nice merch that she draws, and she's gonna sell it here. And I'm gonna be here too with like a few signed CDs, and like I have 3 T-shirts. It's not a lot, but I brought them still. Thank you to everyone who welcomed us here at Fotografiska. I really loved it, even weird man over there. And I loved everything about this place. It was so nice. Thank you for the food and for welcoming us and for the snow and everything about this place. Thank you guys for coming. I'll come back soon, maybe to play in a theater for politicians, I don't know, or for you guys again. Thank you. It was Pam. Bye-bye.
Le jardin de mon enfance, entre les arbres et la violence, j'ai retrouvé ce qui calmait mon cœur, les fraises, l'odeur des vacances. Entre les drames et l'insouciance, les escaliers qui supportaient mes peurs. Pourquoi j'y pense encore? Y'a quoi de mieux avant? À part les rires en farandole, à part l'été qui me console. Qu'est-ce qui me manque tant? Pourquoi j'y pense encore autant? Y'a quoi de mieux avant? Sur le toit du sud de la France, ça mélange là sur les lèvres de ceux qui parlent fort, leur voix, leur loi me dérange. Il revient toujours ce même goût de rance, du ton de rêve qui jouait avec la mort. Pourquoi j'y pense encore autant? me souviens de tout, je me souviens de tout, je me souviens de tout, je me souviens.
Guys, so nice. All right.
So nice.
Dans une autre vie, j'aurais voulu te dire tout ce que ta voix me fait. Le meilleur est si tu étais devant. Je voudrais que tu saches, les jours où plus rien ne va, je pense à toi, comme si on se connaissait déjà.
Thank you so much. It was really nice. As we are close to Christmas, I want to sing you guys a French Christmas song. It's really funny because it's really a song from my childhood, and I didn't think I would sing it, but I'm like, let's be French and sing a French Christmas song. Okay, and I have a special guest because it's better with two voices, so please welcome Safia Nolan on stage. Depuis que je n'ai pas le droit, je veux un enfant dans le ventre. Je rêve sûrement du terre parfois. L'envie si grande et menaçante. Depuis que mes amis me montrent, qu'ils disent que je suis comme les autres, je veux un enfant dans le ventre, qu'on s'aime, qu'on ait une vie grandiose, grandiose. La vie que j'avais inventée pour toi, la vie qu'on nous vend bien tracée, une vie comme ça n'existe pas. Depuis la première goutte de sang
les bouches qui s'effleurent dans la cour. J'ai dit, moi je veux un enfant avant de connaître l'amour, l'amour qui déborde de moi, qui dit tu n'es pas comme les autres. Les filles prendront ton cœur à toi, bah toi, t'auras une vie grandiose, grandiose. La vie que j'avais inventée pour toi, la vie qu'on nous vend bien tracée, une vie comme ça n'existe pas. Depuis que je n'ai pas le droit